Low light detected. Well, no shit.
I know, I put a shirt on. What, started already?
Mm-hmm.
Well, welcome YouTube to another unboxing video. Fuck, I can't even hold this straight.
Unboxing video.
For our new lights. For the truck.
Oh, you can't tell.
Oh, you can't see the name?
Little hint.
DNA motor.
Little hint. It's not used to using a knife.
I haven't used one in a while.
Yeah, don't mind the... Don't use a knife!
It's a perfect box.
Come on, hurry up. Not too deep.
Then you just
Oh, look it! We got a box!
box inside of a box.
Ooh, pretty.
Oh, chromey. Chrome. Yeah, let them see. I'll open the main ones up.
Come out. Oh, nice. Nicey nice, clear. Dark. Nicey nice, clear. A lot better than what's on the truck.
Yeah, our foggy. Main ones. Let's see what these look like.
Yeah, I know. The same old YouTube trying to get things moved around with one freaking hand in their hand.
And then, oh.
Bring it out this way.
Oh, that's actually...
Oh yeah, don't mind the mess.
Yeah.
Car guys, cleaning goes last. Then nice clear. Oh, they do have an orange. I didn't think they had the orange.
Well, yeah, because our bulbs are...
No, that's just a reflecting.
Is it just a reflector? No, it's got the light. It's for the light.
No, but
too.
the lights
All the way there.
at the back, the reflector, they're the more or less reflected orange. But
Very nice.
oh, very clean. Gonna be sweet
Yes.
for our little projects. Okay. For the little project.
It's actually
Here, if we go like this, go towards the door.
Oh.
So I can walk by you. For the little black project outside. Can't do nothing though. Can't do nothing with the rain. Son of a bitch. So, if you liked, please subscribe to help us out.
Yes.
And that. Here we even do dad behind camera this time.
Oh, again.
You know? Dad behind camera. I know, shiny. So, till next time, please subscribe. Help us out. Thanks. Bye.
Bye.